Hello everyone, myself engineer Ranadip Chakraborty and you are watching Bastukar Engineers channel in the new session of April 2022. Previously it used to be in Bengali, Banglai hoto, but as I am not getting so much of viewers and appreciation for my videos, I have changed my mood to make videos of this new session in multilingual format. That is, it will be in English mainly, also in a mixture of Hindi and Bangla. So, let us start today's video. It is one of a kind, as there is at present I feel there are no more videos on this YouTube universe regarding this topic. As you can see from my screen that I will be discussing regarding the updation of IS 456 and will it be to 2022 or 2023 or something else. Let us see. I will be discussing regarding the expected features which are going to be in the new updated version of the IS 456. So, let me introduce myself. I am engineer Ranadip Chakraborty. I am a government service holder. I have completed my diploma and degree in engineering. I am a chartered engineer India of the Institution of Engineers India. And as you can see, I am a government engineer officer. I love to do blogging and vlogging also. I do have my own Facebook page which will be coming up on your screen. The links will be provided in the description box also. So, let us just start with our topic today. Okay. Let us first discuss regarding the history of IS 456 code. I will be reading the presentation and describing the matter to you. So, it will be much more easier. If you do not get my accent or pronunciation, you will be able to read the screen and you will get the know-how. Let us first discuss the history of IS 456 code. Okay. It was first published in the year of 1953 and it was then named as a Code of Practice for Plain and Reinforced Concrete for General Building Construction. In the year 1957, it was for the first time it was revised. This is the first revision of the code. Then in 1964, the second revision of the code and the name was also changed. Not only the code was revised, but the name was also changed from the Code of Practice for Plain and Reinforced Concrete for General Building Construction to Code of Practice for Plain and Reinforced Concrete. And then the third revision came in 1978. Third revision of the code was mainly a big leap because the limit state approach was first introduced in that time. Then the present whatever we are using at present, the IS 456 2000, it was the fourth revision and it is at present effective. So, it was published on 2000, giving stress on the durability of concrete. See, the main difference in the previous code, that is the 1978 version and the present 2000 version, is the giving much more stress or emphasis into the durability aspect of the concrete. That is why we have just changed for the minimum grade criteria of the concrete from M15 to M20, just to have a better durability aspects. Okay. Now, the upcoming awaited version, the fifth revision of the code, which will be IS 456 2022 or 23 or something 2x. Let us see what are the expected features of that. Okay. Let us first discuss about the present status of publication. At present, what is going on, what is cooking inside. Okay. Work is going on since last 2 to 3 years regarding this updation of code. First hand compilation, that is the drafting, what we call, is already completed. Okay. Commentary are sought from the various stakeholders. The various stakeholders which are the different central government organizations and state government organizations, different institutes. From them, the commentary on this draft version before this finalization is sought after, so that any required modification, whatever is necessary, that can be made. Okay. After receiving all the commentary and doing modification as needed, it is expected to finalize very soon. Delay is also being caused due to pandemic situation, as you all know. Now, it is highly expected in late 2022, that is in this current year, calendar year, or in early 2023. Now, what are the top features we can expect in the upcoming IS 456 publication? Let us just have a glimpse over those things. Okay. I have already marked the features like 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let us just go one by one. Number 1, this new code is proposed to deal with 3 types of concrete, namely plain cement concrete, reinforced cement concrete, pre-stressed cement concrete. Now, in contrast to the what is going to come up and what we are already having is that now in IS, sorry, it is written as it will be in now in IS 456-2000, it deals with 2 types, namely plain and reinforced cement concrete. So, that part C, what is written as pre-stressed cement concrete, it will be also included in this single code, so that we can work on a single code for the all types of concreting operation, plain cement concrete, reinforced cement concrete and also on the pre-stressed cement concrete. The point number 2 is that as the code is proposed to deal with the 3 types of concrete, hence the title of publication is supposed to be changed, because it is now plain and reinforced concrete code of practice. It will be probably changed to structural concrete code of practice, because if we name it as structural concrete, it will cover the plain cement concrete, reinforced cement concrete and also the pre-stressed concrete part, right. So, the top feature number 3rd is this new code is supposed to do structural design based on more elaborate criteria. 6 primary limit states, namely A, the limit state of safety, B, the limit state of serviceability, C, the limit state of durability. Okay. These 3 we are already having in our present code. D, limit state of robustness, E, limit state of integrity and the last one is limit state of restorability. Now, in IS 456-2000, it deals with the 2 primary types, namely the collapse, there is bending, shear, torsion and axial and serviceability. Okay. Deflection and cracking, then durability part is maintained in other ways like the cover, minimum grading, minimum cement content and those things. The 4th point is incorporation of the uses of the high strength concrete and high strength steel, which is obvious as we are also including the pre-stressed concrete in this code. So, it is obvious there will be provision for the high strength concrete and high strength steel, which is a mandate for production of the pre-stressed concrete. Now, in IS 456-2000 allows the steel of yield strength 250 MPa, there is mild steel 415 MPa and 500 MPa only, but already we are having in market 550 MPa, even 600 MPa are there, though those are not supposed to be used in RCC due to ductility issues if right quantum of elongation is not available. Feature number 5, in general basic principles of design may remain unchanged, that is axial and flexure capacities based on strain consideration and B, shear and torsion capacities based on the strength consideration. So, these basic principles of the design may remain unchanged whatever it is in the already in the IS 456-2000. Point number 6, it is very important thing. In limit state of safety, definition of flexural strength of concrete member is proposed to be revised from corresponding to reaching to the limiting strain. You got it, limiting strain. Okay. Now, in IS 456-2000, it is corresponding to the secondary compression failure of the concrete member at present. So, we must know what is primary compression failure and secondary compression failure. I have already given the note, you can see it. Primary compression failure, first concrete fails in compression, it is the primary compression failure. Secondary compression failure is that first steel fails in tension, then concrete fails in compression. That is what we designed for the under reinforced section. Okay. But in the new code, it will be based on the limiting strain criteria. Point number 7, in the new IS 456 code, design life of the structure may be approached in quantitative way. Okay. It may be approached in a quantitative way. Now, in IS 456-2000, there is no quantitative provision of the calculation of the design life. We already know that there is no such provision in the IS 456 at present by which we can calculate the design life period of structure. There will be some method incorporated in the IS 456 revised version so that we can achieve quantitative manner the design life of a structure. Point number 8, in the new IS 456 code, it is expected to introduce completely new nomenclatures, keeping in mind for the following demand and capacities. So, nomenclatures are going to be changed based on the following 3 demand and capacity factors: A, unfactored demand or capacity of concrete member; B, factored demand or capacity of concrete member; C, overstrength demand or capacity of concrete member. Point number 9, in the new IS 456 code, we may see more harmonic and rationalized concepts and values of serviceability, durability and fire resistance. It is just simple updating with the time, okay, because it is almost 20 plus years since the last publication, original publication. There were some corrigendum, but the original publication was almost 20 years back. So, it is obvious that there will be some updation of values and concepts regarding the serviceability, durability and fire resistance criteria based upon the modern approaches. Now, in IS 456-2000, there is no harmonic and rationalized in between the provision of the serviceability, durability and fire resistance. There is no correlation between them. Okay. The final feature among the top 10 features which are expected to be in the IS 456 is the new IS 456 code. Ductile detailing criteria may also be incorporated from IS 13920 for seismic resistant design. Engineers who already know this, that we do the ductile detailing of RCC based upon the provisions made in the IS 13920 to make the structure more ductile and resistant to the earthquake effects. Okay. That is something which is going to be incorporated within the IS 456 itself. At present, you already know there is no such provision in the IS 456. That is why you are having a separate code of IS 13920. So, that may be incorporated within the new IS 456 from the IS 13920-2016, which we are currently using, and maybe there will be some updation also. So, that was the all thing from my side. I hope you have liked the video, and this is the single most video regarding this topic. I have already searched the YouTube regarding this topic, but I have found none of the videos to be precise about when can be expected and what can be expected from the new IS code. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and do like and put your comments whether you want something new regarding any topic, whether you want videos on the Hindi also. Till then, take care and bye bye.